Hey guys, so I've had a channel doing videos about retro computers for a little while that I've done very little with, but I thought I'd start to make some videos about the stuff I spend most of my time doing when I'm not at work, which is this. Uh, it's a replica of a 1960s Shelby Cobra. It's a DAX kit with a 428 Ford FE currently up front, though I've got a 462 cubic inch stroked FE coming back from the engine guy soon. So about this and my garage and the other workshop and the projects that I do in there. So maybe you'll find that interesting. If you do, stick around. I'm going to start to post basically videos of everything I do on this because I'm in here most evenings. That seems like a nice way of making content. And also probably some videos of me learning to TIG weld because that's a skill I really wanted to pick up. So I bought a TIG welder recently and laid my first beads like a couple of days ago. So you can watch me screw that up a lot, probably. So yeah, stick around and maybe you'll like what you see. Thanks a lot. Bye.